When a store system goes down, the clock starts ticking. Revenue is lost. Customers get frustrated. And IT scrambles to get the right technician on site. But sending someone out takes time. And remote access? That cannot compromise security or PCI compliance.
That is where the AcuLink Remote Access Service in Scale Computing AcuVigil comes in.
AcuLink gives IT teams secure PCI DSS compliant remote access to critical endpoints without exposing your environment. With one click, a session begins. Access is authenticated, logged, and protected with short-lived credentials. When the work is done, the session automatically disconnects. Behind the scenes, devices stay isolated. Traffic is limited, inspected, and tightly controlled, making AcuLink more secure than plugging in a laptop on site. The result? Faster resolution times, lower service cost, fewer truck rolls. Delivered through Scale Computing AcuVigil Managed Network Solutions, AcuLink fits into a unified approach that protects endpoints, increases visibility, and provides proactive 24/7 support. Secure access, faster recovery, less risk. Learn more at scalecomputing.com/AcuVigil.